slow and quiet start to this race. You can hear the technique with the quiet of the blades on the ice. They're trying to set their pace. This is a long race, 1,200 meters. On the 100-meter track, that's 12 blocks of ground. That's Grace Myers, who is leading and controlling the pace, followed by Grace McGee. Grace Myers, Grace McGee, and then is Hope Allen, followed by Riley Perez. Riley coming home from the Arctic Winter Games with a gold medal in the team relay. Sarah May, followed by Daisy Brown. We've got 7 laps to go. Grace Myers, Grace McGee. Grace Myers from the Lloyd-Dixon Woodland Blades. Grace McGee from Calgary Speed Skating. 6 laps to go now in this 1,200-meter heat. They're halfway through. You can see that pace is starting to pick up. Coach is taking them on. That's what Allen now is taking on the lead. And Grace Myers followed by Grace McGee. Here comes Riley Perez. The faster speeders stay on the inside track, slower speeders stay on the outside track. Hope Allen trying to find some extra speed.